Hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. So we created a application which one work as a IT asset tracker. Okay, so basically this application track our IT equipments like hardware, softwares, laptop, mobile, desktop, and your softwares also. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Let me explain how it's work. So I'm already published it. So this is our application. You can log in with directly your Microsoft account. Here is dynamic login, and you can type your user ID and password if you log in with only one iPad. So let me log in with my user ID and password. This is my user ID. Okay, and I have employee role. Now let me put this, and here is automatically showing name and login as employee. If I'm remove this, then it's automatically showing the old role. Okay, and I need to type here my password, and I can log in directly with this. Let me log in with my Microsoft account only. So this is my Microsoft account, and here is Pankaj, and you can check the Pankaj have assigned an employee role. If I'm login here, so I'm directly login as an employee in the application. So this is our dashboard. Basically here is showing the total assets, here is showing the hardware asset, here is showing the softwares, and here is showing the assets assigned. Okay, and here is showing the available. You can check also, here is showing the assigned and available with percentage and counting, and here is the graph pie charting. And you can check also here in the list, and you can filter with this gallery. Like if you select the mobile, you are able to view the mobile assessed, and you can check the licenses assessed, which one is right now available. And here you can check the pie chart also of these devices, how many laptops, how many desktop, how many monitors, how many accessories, mobile, and licenses. Okay, you can check all things here. Now here is the history of latest 10 recent transaction. Okay, so basically we have assigned this one to Sakshi. So here is it assigned date. You can check, and you can increase the date in column with and all things. Okay, you can check the latest 10 entry here. Now here you can check how many employees assigned latest top 10 employees who has most number of the assigned. Okay, so I think Sakshi have assigned to assessed, so here is showing the 2, and otherwise other employees is 111. So that's the reason here is showing the 1. Now you can replace your old data with clicking on this. Now you can add employee, you can edit and add assessed, you can view assessed, and you can view employees. Okay, and here is option for menu. We not create here navigation menu, we create directly here the menu bar, navigation bar. Okay, if you click on this, now you can check here the all menu item, the dashboard, the assessed, the assign, the employees, edit assessed, edit employees, edit history, assessed policy, reports, contact developer. This is my contact information. If you click on this, you are able to navigate on my number. Okay, and here is sign out option. If I'm click on the sign out, I'm directly sign out and come to home page. Okay, login page. So let me explain the other screen. So here is assessed screen. Now you can check here view assessed. Okay, so this is our assessed screen. You can filter with the search and assessed type and category and status, and you can assign assessed also with clicking this one. Now here I'm selected the laptop. Now you can check how many laptop. You can select the mobile, desktop, and monitor, accessories, license. You able to view all things. Okay, so this one is also available, the Zoom Pro. If I'm select this one, this button is automatically available. Okay, if I'm assign this assessed to any employee, so it's automatically selected here the Zoom Pro, and you can check the Zoom Pro all details here. And I want to assign to this one to Pankaj. Okay, so here is showing the Pankaj all details. If I'm select any employees, here is showing the full details of employees. So I want to assign to Pankaj, and assign date automatically selected today, or I can assign click on this button. If I'm click, and here is assessed assigned successfully. Now you can check. Here is showing the Pankaj to assign. Okay, here is showing also the recent activities of Pankaj, the two Zoom Pro, and here is showing the date. Okay, and you can check also in view assessed, and here is showing this one is assigned already Zoom Pro to Pankaj. Okay, now, and you can filter with assessed type, assessed category, and assessed status, or you can search also with this thing. Okay, like I want to search the MS Office, so you can directly search. You can search anything in this. Okay, this is mail option. This is not available right now. This is available when you subscribe my when you join my YouTube membership. This one is available after this. Okay, so here is assessed option. Now here is view employees. Okay, so you can check the employees all details here. Now here is employee list, and here you can select employee photo and name by directly. You can search the employee all details here. Like I want to search the employee designation like IT, so I can search who is in IT. If I'm search here the Pankaj, here I'm able to view. If you select this one, you able to find out the employee. Okay, you can reset using this. If I'm select here the Pankaj, okay, so here is showing the Pankaj all data, and this is the latest transaction of the Pankaj. Okay, Pankaj returned this one laptop, and here is showing the all details of the assessed. Okay, Pankaj assigned to assessed, and one is he returned already. And here you can check the KPIs, the number of counting. Here you can check the total assessed and hardware assessed and software and return assessed. Okay, you can check here directly. Now you can check for all employees here the total employees here is showing. Okay, so active employee, employee with assessed, as unassigned employees. Okay, add employee, you can mark return mark as also. Like I want to mark the Pankaj assessed as a written. Okay, so I'm selected this one, and I think I forget to mention the navigation. I will mention. Okay, you can assign assessed to this employee directly using this button, or you can directly, here is automatically selected the name, the Pankaj, and you can assign anything which one is available. Here is showing the available assessed only. Okay, and this color based on the warranty. If your warranty is expired, showing the red, otherwise it's showing the available, then showing the green. Okay, so here it is showing the all active employees, not inactive. Okay, so here is our user list. You can check the active employees. If here is showing like Komal is inactive employees, you can check here. Komal name not showing here. Okay, so this is our assessed, and you can check this is history. This is our assessed. Okay, so our available let me check, refresh it. I think I'm assigning recently one to Pankaj. I think my internet working slow. Now here you can check only 3 devices available: HP laptop and Samsung monitor and Logic mouse. Okay, so you can check also. Here is only showing the 3 device which one is available. If this any device is already assigned to any employee, that which in not showing here in assigned card. Okay, here is showing the available device only. Now you can back, and here is employee. I'm already, if you select anyone, then automatically enable the edit employees button, return mark also, and assign assessed also. Okay, so how you can return, this one is not visible to here. Let me show you how you can return it. So here is assign new assessed or return assessed. You can click on this. Now you can check the assessed history. Here is showing the all history. So recently I have assigned this one licenses, so here is showing the all things. Okay, now how you can mark as a return to this one. If you click on this button, automatically enable. You can filter with this thing, all things. Okay, so recently I have assigned license, and this is Zoom Pro license. This one is automatically assigned. If you click on this, Then here is showing the all details of the license and the employee detail, and here is showing the assign date and other things, and here is showing the return date. If you select the mark return, then automatically it's marked as a return. Now this device is showing the available. Okay, now this device is available now, and you can edit the all history. If you want to edit this history, so you can edit it. Okay, just click on the edit history, or you can edit your all history. I think I'm forget to navigate button again. View a statement, return, and here I'm forget to. Okay, here is showing the all history. You can edit anything else. Okay, if I want to edit this one, so I can edit here, or if by mistake you mark to return or edit, you want to add the manual things, just click on the new, and here you can select the software, yeah, assess type. Okay, here you can select the display name of employee. Just you need to select the return, and you can return mark as a normal in the forum way. Okay, so here is all option, and you can refresh your all data, and here is how navigation work. Okay, so here is assessed. If you click on the assessed, you able to navigate on the assessed screen. If you click on this, then this button automatically showing the red. If you unselect, then automatically showing the blue. Okay, now I'm clicking on the assign, so I can assign the directly from here. If I'm select the employee, here I'm able to view the all employee data, and if I'm select anyone, so here I'm able to view the all data of the employee. Now I can check here edit assist. Okay, I can edit the all assist. Okay, if I want, or here is showing the edit employee. You can edit any employee. You can assign the role, application role from here also. Just you need to select edit, and you need to select the role from here. Okay, now here edit history, you can edit. I already explained. Okay, and you can check the assessed policy from here. Here is PDF. Now you able to view the all assessed policy. What is the assessed policy? I think it's not able to view. My internet is working slow, I think. Here is only PDF, and here is the report option. Okay, so if you click on the report, now you able to view the all reports from here. This is our Excel report, the recent activity. Here is showing the top 10 employees data, and here is showing the assessed by type, and here you can check. And I mark return Pankaj assessed, so there is showing now again one only. Now the contact of the dollar option. Okay, if you select this one, you can directly contact to me. Okay, if you need any help, just contact me. Okay, so thank you so much in this video, and here is few things also. If you click on this, now you're able to view the profile card of viewer. Okay, and here is information button. If you click on this, you can directly navigate on my WhatsApp. Okay, and chat, and you can directly edit it as per your recording, like on-set property. Okay, so if you need any help in this, please let me know. I'm already mentioned the download this application link in the description. You can directly download it. Okay, if you join my membership, you will get every week one new project like this. Okay, so please join my membership and get free project every week. Thank you so much in this video.